Hey, what's up everybody? Back here with the E36. Today's video we're going to replace the oil filter housing gasket, which is right here. So I've already drained the oil and cleaned this thing out as best I can. You all know how to change your oil. If not, I'm sure there's videos out there that show you how to change your oil. So I poured the oil out, right, tried to vent it so I can get as much of the oil out as possible. I took a couple rags here and soaked up as much oil as I could inside the filter housing here. So there's 6 bolts and they're all various lengths. I'm not sure if you could see them here, but I took a paint pen and I numbered them, and then I took a picture on my cell phone. So I went from left to right, top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I believe they're all 13 mil. Pop all those out, and from what I could research, it seems like 14 to 16 foot-pounds are the recommended torque. So you don't want to over torque these things because they're going into the block. So next video I'm going to have it out, and then we're going to clean it up a little bit and then put the new gasket on and then button it back up. Alright, so oil filter housing is off. Just be sure you have your drip pan underneath. I had it a little too far back. You could see I overshot the landing there. Anyhow, a little bit of oil will come out. Even though I drain all my oil out, there's still a little residual that hangs in there in that pocket. But you can see here the filters, or excuse me, the gasket's still on. I haven't taken it off yet. Next step, I'm gonna spend a little time back here cleaning this up, and then the oil filter housing itself, I'm gonna spend some time and clean this up a little bit. This poor car has just been neglected its whole life, so every chance I get doing a little cleaning, bringing it back to life slowly but surely. Next video, or next segment rather, I'll put the gasket on and we'll button this thing back up. Alright, so I got the gasket back in here. I used some Q-tips to clean out some of the residual stuff that was in there from the old gasket, which is right here. It's not even pliable at all, not even soft. It feels like hard plastic, so oil was probably just blowing right by this thing for who knows how long. And I was able to clean this thing up a little bit, so now we're going to put it back onto the car, where we have this in here, so try to clean up some of this stuff as well. So we will put it back on and we'll put the screws in the order we took them off, because if you remember I numbered them, so we'll put them back in there. Alright, there it is. Oil filter housing gasket replaced. Put all the bolts back in order. You can see how they're numbered there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. There you go. You can see 5 and 6. So just numbered them to make it easy. They're all various different lengths. I tried to clean it up as best I could. That looks better than it did before. So, you know, fingers crossed, no more leaks. So at least it's all clean now underneath it, so we'll be able to monitor it. So as always, hopefully this was helpful. And by the way, I torqued mine down to 16 foot-pounds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.